Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include heated mirrors, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.